So what's up guys? So nandito na tayo kay Pybert. So pupuntahan na natin, ihatid na natin yung tulong na bigay sa kanya ng ng kanyang angel na hulog ng langit. So,
the blessings life can bring, I've always needed something, but I've got all I want, and it comes to loving you.